We're back at it.
We're back at it.
We're back at it.
We're back at it.
We are back at it.
We're back at it.
We are back at it.
Friends, Romans, countrymen,
Thanks for calling Thinker.
we are back at it.
We're back at it.
We're back at it again with a wide array of events to connect businesses with new ideas, fresh voices, and the energy of entrepreneurs. The Thinker Summer Seminar Series kicks off June 20th with events you don't want to miss, featuring a live stream from Google Partners, where we'll learn how Google is revolutionizing online advertising for retail and automobile businesses. In addition, we're bringing back our Online ROI Peer Review Workshop. You'll learn actionable tools, how customers see you, and how they'll do business with you or won't do business with you based off of what they see online. Plus, July 17th, we're bringing back our Understanding Customers with Analytics seminar. Did you know that only a fraction of your prospects will ever see your website homepage? For more information on all these events and more, visit our website at thinkerventures.com/events.
Yeah.